Yeah, it's called Stormex. Windproof. Every rib is fiberglass.
Nine.
Just 9? I'll take 9. Stormex, windproof, 10 rods, doesn't fold on you. Links below.
Alright, Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing AI video platforms right now, and the reason brands are paying attention is simple. While every other tool is chasing the text to video headline, Higgsfield is building production infrastructure. One platform best in class like Wen 2.7, VO 3.1, Kling 3.0, Cinema Studio, plus a marketing studio built specifically for ads, UGC, unboxing, product review, ASMR, TV spots, all in 1080p, all looking like a real crew shot it. Now this isn't just a toy. Supplement brands, for example, fashion labels and customer products companies are already using it to replace the $20,000 production budget with $20 in credit. And in this video, I'm going to show you the MCP server now. So if you go to this MCP server, you can see that we can connect with Claude, Perplexity, Cursor, OpenClaw, Hermes, you name it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect with Claude. So for connecting with Claude, you need to have a Claude account, and then we go to top left, we go to File, we go to Settings, and then we go to Connectors, we go to Customize, and then we go to this plus Add Connector, then Add Custom Connector, and write Higgsfield here. Now this remote MCP server URL is something that you will obtain from here, and you can see that we need to go to settings connectors, which we already went, and now we need to paste this URL to here. And once we say add, this is going to start up the MCP. Now I have created multiple videos on how to create your own MCP. I've shown you how to create MCPs on Claude as well, but this is just another MCP. You know, MCP provides a lot of tools. So you can see these are the tools that we have, about 29 tools. So you can see interactive tools. You can change the permission here. So when we want to generate image, we are saying we always allow. You can change this to needs approval or to block as well. Now when you do this for the first time, you're going to have something like this where you would be needing to connect. So I can click on connect here, and then you will go to your login of Higgsfield and you will get connected to Higgsfield. So I say allow, and this will help me connect Higgsfield MCP with Claude. So you can see we are connected to Higgsfield here, and now we are ready to do wonderful things. Also, I would like to add one skill. I'm going to share the skill with you as well. Basically, the skill is a file that will help you download the work done by others. So if we have a working principle, a working functionality, that we can store it on in a particular skill, and if I share the skill with anyone, then anyone can go ahead and use that skill to have that kind of functionality. So we can see that this particular skill has a 5-stage AI content pipeline, and here are all the things, the different stages, what you need to do. You can go ahead without using the skill, but then you would have to do more work. So it's better as you go on improving your skills, you need to update the skill as well. For example, I have this another skill known as AI YouTube growth. So this is when I used to make YouTube videos, the descriptions, the tags and all. So everything is taken care by the skill, AI YouTube growth skill. So in this video, we are focusing on the Higgsfield Content Factory skill. I'll share the skill with you, but this is the process to add the skill. Now we go back to File, New Conversation here, and then I selected a particular folder of Higgsfield MCP v2 here, and now we are going to add one prompt. And now what I can do is I want to make a campaign on an umbrella. So I'm going to paste this command, generate a photorealistic product image of a premium windproof umbrella, and this is going to hopefully use Higgsfield. So you can see use tool search here, and then it's going to generate the image. Allow always. It's rendering the image now. Photorealistic, I can say always allow. And this accept edits, I can maybe change it to auto mode here. And now we are generating the umbrella. Okay, cool. We have this umbrella. I really like it. Let's go ahead and create a campaign now. Now what I can do is I can say slash Higgsfield Content Factory, and I can just start up the pipeline. Now if you have your own pipeline, you can go ahead and start that. Save it as a skill, because whenever you improve, find new things, we need to update the skill, and it's always better to have a skill. In that way you can share your work with others, and you can use the work done by others as well, because it does take some time to get a skill ready. So we have the product image, and it's asking me the first question: is your MCP connected? Higgsfield MCP. I say yes. Higgsfield MCP is active and ready to generate videos. Which stage do you want to start from? I can start from the entire pipeline here. And how many videos for the campaign? I just want, let's say, 3 videos. I can say 3 videos, just 3, and I can say submit here. So you can see that it's accessing all the hooks here. So you can see product hit, spicy, interview, and all these different things. It's looking for some widgets, and it's trying to fire all the 8 trends search, and let's see the 3 best that it finds for this umbrella brand. And the name of the brand we have is StormX. Really matches the vibe of the umbrella, protects you from the storm. So you can see the formats. The format 1 is UGC Entertainment, so 15 seed ideas. First is the UGC Entertainment with blizzard proof, product hit, crash test, fail stress test, airplane wing review. Then we have product dodge, one hand deploy. The format 2 is a street interview, and I can say looks good, proceed to stage 2, build a full content plan, HTML with 3 videos mapped, dated and ready to generate. Yes. So what should we name this campaign? This can be StormX Summer Launch June 2026. Date range, I can say next 3 days, because 3 videos in 3 days. I can say submit here, and I can see all these ideas, but I've asked it to make just 3 of the ideas. Select the best 3. 3-day blitz, 1 video per day, June 9th to 11th, building the plan now. So you can see this is the magic of the skill that we're using. I'll share the skill. You can go ahead and use the skill. Cool. So we have this plan. This plan is basically available on the folder here. So you can see the outputs here, and this is the StormX plan. So StormX Summer Launch June 2026. We have 3 videos, 3 days campaign, 1 video per day, 100% UGC family, and this are the 3 products that it chose. So the blizzard proof is the first one, and then we have the street interview. Rate this out of 10. This is another one, and you can see the unboxing one. So you can look at this. The preset, the duration 12 seconds, ratio is 9:16. Then we have the scene prompt, entire scene prompt being made, and the social media caption as well, inspired by and why viral now. So it did all the research for me, and now what I need to do is just proceed to stage 3, go ahead and make the videos. Now this is going to use the credits that I have on Higgsfield, so we need to have some credits. You can go to this credits and upgrade your account, and you can see all these details. So you have the pro, max, 4 teams, we have the monthly and annual accounts, and you can go ahead and use as per your requirement. Considering the quality of output that we get, this cost is very minimal. So you can see it's generating 3 videos now, getting a product registered and avatars ready before the first batch fires. Just 3 videos, and we have all the avatars ready here. So let's go ahead and see what it chooses. So now it's downloading the StormX image, because this is the reference image that I have, and uploading to Higgsfield. So once that upload is done, then it's going to send over the prompts that we have seen here, these prompts here, and it's going to make us the video. Let's go ahead and wait, and then we'll see the outputs. So the stage 3 is complete. Now it's asking me if I want to schedule to Meta ads. Now I'm not connected as of now to Meta MCP. I can go to stage 5 directly and compare the cost. This would be a great thing to show to you, because the cost that we had to make this video, you can compare it with traditional video making that would cost thousands of dollars. So the first one is the blizzard proof, then rate out of 10, then premium solo unbox. Now I can watch it here.
Yeah, it's called StormX. Windproof. Every rib is fiberglass.
Amazing. The next one is this.
9.
Just 9? I'll take 9. StormX, windproof, 10 rods, doesn't fold on you. Links below.
Premium solo unbox. Amazing. Looks like a real product. So the cost analysis is complete as well. Now you can go ahead and see the cost report here. So what was spent on Higgsfield? So you can see StormX product image, about 2 credits. Then for video 1, 2 and 3 we spent about 40, 60 credits. So total of about 162 credits, and that would cost about $1.62. Now if you would like to go in the traditional way, you can see that this is the cost, about $3,700 here, and the savings you can see, turnaround is just 12 minutes per video. Traditionally it will take 2 to 4 weeks. Iteration is unlimited. You can go ahead and do the iterations, and you can see the savings here, $3,748, and it's amazing. So you can go ahead and check this out, try it, and let me know if you face any issues. And you can see I've used Higgsfield for a long time and the qualities are really amazing, and because they have integrated everything that is possible, all the good models. So you can see image models, video, we have supercomputer, and the MCP that we've discussed today. We have marketing studio, cinema studio. If you go to explore page, you can see all these new things that comes up. For example, Higgsfield MODs inside of Minecraft, introducing Recraft 4.1, and then we have plugin for DaVinci Resolve. So there are so many things that you can go ahead and try this. So go to the links in the description and try this out. Of course, we have done this with Claude, but very well we could have done this with Hermes as well. We could have done this with Cursor, OpenClaw, Perplexity. Go ahead and try out Claude first, and then with Hermes maybe. If you face an issue, kindly let me know. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.